Hi everyone, Stacy Whiter here on behalf of Campus Mortgage with a quick refresher on FHA repair completion escrows. Now just a quick reminder before we get started, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered legal advice or used in place of FHA guidelines. Also, this video was issued on September 25th, 2018, and the information contained in this video is subject to change without notice. On FHA loans, a lender may establish repair completion escrow accounts in two circumstances. First, if there's incomplete construction and alterations and repairs that cannot be completed prior to loan closing. But what's most important is about any of these incomplete repairs or construction that are being escrowed for at closing, the home must still be habitable and safe for occupancy at the time of closing. So these cannot be major things like appliances or flooring or roofing or electrical or plumbing or anything like that. They cannot be those major things, otherwise they have to wait on their closing. Now here are the requirements set forth by the FHA. So the escrow funds must be enough to cover the cost of the repairs and or the improvements. And you cannot include any of the borrower's labor into the escrow account. So if what is being left to be done is maybe some paint or something like that, you cannot include or you cannot reimburse the borrower's labor in that escrow account. Also, the lender must execute the Form HUD 92300, which is the mortgagee's assurance of completion. That must be executed, as well as the HUD Form 92051, which is the compliance inspection report. That must be executed as well. So this is just a quick snapshot of the first page and of the mortgagee's assurance of completion. And completing this report indicates that the repair escrow has been established by the lender. Now the next report is again the compliance inspection report, and this is required to be executed by the lender, and this indicates that the repairs or improvements have been completed as they should be. A couple of other important points. So the lender must complete the escrow closeout certification screen, which is in FHA Connection within their website, and that must be done within 30 days after the escrow account has been closed. So that's it. Those are the key requirements whenever you are establishing a repair escrow at closing for an FHA loan. All right, thanks so much for watching. For more tips and videos, please visit campusmortgage.org to look for their weekly mortgage video tips designed for all mortgage professionals, including underwriters, loan officers, processors, closers, and post-closers. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.